Hey there, did you know abstract art has been a game changer in how we view creativity? It's not just random shapes and colors, it's actually transformed the way artists express emotions and ideas in the modern world. Pretty wild, right? So today, we're diving into the fascinating world of abstract art. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and how it can inspire us on our own creative journeys. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, there's something valuable for everyone here. Let's get inspired. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges many artists face when they step into the realm of abstract art. First off, self-doubt can creep in. You might think, am I really an artist? Or what if my work isn't good enough? It's totally normal to feel that way. Then there's the issue of inspiration. Sometimes, you might sit in front of a blank canvas, feeling completely lost. You know you want to create something unique, but ideas just aren't flowing. And if you're trying to break away from traditional styles, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. But don't worry. These challenges are part of the journey, and today, we'll tackle them together. Exploration/development. Let's jump into some exciting techniques that can help you explore abstract art. First up is color blocking. This technique involves using bold, solid colors to create a striking composition. It's all about layering colors and finding harmony in contrasts. Another technique is drip painting, which is super fun. Grab your paint and let it flow onto your canvas. It's all about spontaneity and embracing the chaos. Then we have the use of mixed media. Grab some magazines, fabrics, or even natural materials, and incorporate them into your artwork. This adds depth and texture, and it's a fantastic way to express your individuality. Finally, I want to mention gestural painting. This technique encourages you to use your entire body. Think big, expressive strokes. It's liberating and can lead to some incredible results. Each of these methods opens up new avenues for creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment. Climax/key moment. Let me share a little story from my own journey with abstract art. I remember a time when I was really struggling to find my style. One day, I decided to just let go of all my fears and expectations. I set up a huge canvas, and instead of planning, I just started painting. I used my hands, my brushes, and even some unconventional tools. In that moment, something clicked. I realized that the process was just as important as the final piece. That breakthrough moment changed everything for me. I learned to trust my instincts and embrace the unpredictability of abstract art. It was a total game changer. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap what we've covered today, we explored some common challenges in abstract art, like self-doubt and lack of inspiration. We also looked at various techniques like color blocking, drip painting, mixed media, and gestural painting. Remember, it's all about finding your unique voice and expressing yourself freely. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried abstract art before? What challenges have you faced, and what techniques do you love? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more artistic inspiration, check out my next video where we'll dive even deeper into creative techniques. Thanks for watching, and let's keep creating.